1940s Chocolate Hermits, Hunt's Food Shop, Michigan. Welcome to Handwritten Heritage Recipes. We're so glad you're here with us today. Around this table, we cook the way it's always been done. Simple, from-scratch recipes passed from one generation to the next. Each week, I will be sharing one of my favorite recipes from my box so we keep these memories alive. Be sure to watch until the end, where we include a bonus recipe that you can try on your own. So grab a cup of coffee, a pencil, and a recipe card, and let's get started. Here is today's featured recipe. Happiness is homemade. Let's begin. We start by creaming together the essentials. 2 1/4 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of cocoa, 1 1/8 cups of butter, and just a pinch of salt. For the lift, we dissolve 1/3 teaspoon of cream of tartar and 3/4 teaspoon of soda directly into 1 1/8 cups of sour milk. Watch it foam. That's the magic. Stir until combined. Now, stir in 2 eggs and 1 1/2 teaspoons of vanilla to bring the dough together. Fold in your cup and a half of Nutmeats, then slowly add about 3 cups of flour. Mix these well until you have a rich, dark paste. It should look heavy and uniform. You want the dough just thick enough that it drops heavily from the spoon. That's the classic Hermit consistency. Grease the pan. Drop by tablespoon. Food brings folks together. Set your oven to 375 degrees and bake until they're set. These are a true taste of 1940s heritage. Just look at those, perfectly craggy and dark, just like a proper hermit should be. That deep cocoa smell is heavy in the air, mixed with those toasted Nutmeats. They're sturdy enough for a lunchbox, but that sour milk keeps them soft and tender inside. It's a real piece of history, right on your cooling rack, made with care. Here is your bonus extra recipe. A recipe worth passing down. These fried cakes go good with poached eggs, too. Thank you for joining us today. Like, share, and subscribe if you enjoyed today's recipe. From our home to your home, see you next time. Be blessed.